Hello friends, welcome to Design Hub YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn this simple and professional looking circle burst animation which you can use for your web pages, video intros and website GIFs. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the After Effects. Uh, when you open the After Effects, just create a new composition with the given settings. You can choose whatever you want, but I am choosing here 1280 by 720 pixel and 25 frames per second. It's up to you what you want to take, and we will make it to the duration around 3 seconds. Okay, click the OK. Now we will add a shape layer to this composition, and in the shape layer first we will add a rectangle. Go to add and click the rectangle. Now we will give it some stroke, so click on the stroke icon here. Now we will play settings like size and positions and stroke width. Okay, first we will add keyframes to the starting position, and around 1.5 seconds we will make it another keyframes. Okay, now we will adjust the size. First it will be 0 and its position will vary from down to up. So at this point it will move upwards, so we will move it upwards like this. Okay, now we have to adjust the stroke width, so let's add some keyframes to the endpoint and the starting point. So at the starting point it will be maximum, and let's say 10, and when the animation is completed it will be 0. Okay, let us play how does it look. Okay, now this is looking great. So now we have to ease these animations, so this will be very cool. Okay, one more thing, if you want to add some color you can pick it here or from here also. Okay, so let us press the U and it will open all the active keyframes. Select all the keyframes and right click keyframe assistant and easy ease, or you just simply press the F9 and it will easy ease them. Now go to graph editor and select the last key points and drag them to the left, and the left one, and drag them to the left. Okay, let us play now. Okay, so now it is looking really cool. Now we have to repeat this animation, so we will go to shape layer and add repeater. Okay, now in the repeater enter the number of copies you want to make. Let us say 10. Okay, now 10 copies are made. Now we will go to transform repeater and change the position to 0, and now we will go to the rotation and put the value like 360 divided by the number of copies we want. Here it is 10, so this will be 10, and so in this way it will be creating 10 copies. Okay, so now let's play it. Okay, so now it looks amazing. Okay, now we will duplicate it. Just simply press Ctrl plus D on the keyboard and it will add some another layer. Now in this layer we just have to change the roundness so that these animations look like the circle. Okay, so we will make it like the circle. Okay, and now we will just drag this second layer 2 frames further, so the animation do not overlap each other. Okay, great. We will change the color like say here some blue. Okay, this is really cool. Now we will scale it down because we don't want it to go to the endpoint like this first layer, so just scale down like 85. Okay, let us see. Okay, something like 80. Let us say take it 80. Okay, that's it. Okay, now this looks just great. Okay, now we will copy both the layers, select with the shift and control plus T, and now we will first change the colors. Okay, pink to, let us say, yellow, and the last one, fourth one, will be aqua to say with a bit orange. Okay, or we want green. Okay, now we will move the third layer to the above it. Okay, now we will slide to frames. Okay, okay, and just another thing, like we will scale it down like the, let us say, 70, and this one I will take 90. Then it will work. It is just overlapping something, right? So now we have to adjust, like this is 80, so you see where it is overlapping. It is the 80, the slide mode. 2 more frames for the 2 more. Okay, okay, now it is great. The colors we should change. Okay, cool. If you want, you can slide 1 frames. It is up to you how you like to make this animation. Okay, now we will adjust the scale 80 to 72, 70, and this one 60. Okay, you just check it. 90. Okay, now we will slide some left, just 2 frames. No, okay, cool. Now we will take another shape layer and title shape action, and we will add a line here. Okay, press the shift and click on the center and here. Okay, now no, it is wrong. Now let us take another shape layer and title action, and Okay, now we will add a trim path to it. Trim path. Okay, go to trim path and add the keyframes to start and end, and after this, where the animation was ending, we will make it another keyframes. Now we will put the value 0 0 to the starting, and in the end it will be 100 100. Okay, like this, and we will just adjust this point to here, this point to here. Okay, so it will be okay. Okay, done. Let us change the color. Sorry, something vibrant like yellow. Okay, and we will also erase the keyframes here. With the graph editor and like the same. Okay, now it will be much faster than this. Slow it. Okay, now we will also work with its stroke. Okay, in the starting it will be 10, where it is ending it will be 0, like here. Okay, in starting it will be 10. Okay, now we just have to set this place so that it looks like it is coming out of the circle. Okay, so just like this, and just scale down. We just have to increase the last keyframes here. Okay, now this drop F9 and just adjust like this. Okay, so now if you want some logo text to the layer, so just go to text and write something like we here design her. Orange. Okay, okay, and black box. Okay, here it is not just visible, so something dark should go. Actually, okay. Yeah. And we will play with the scaling values to it. Scaling 0 is starting, and where the animation is ending. Here we will put the value 200. Some frames it will be okay, and we will increase okay. Easy as okay. Now we will play scale. Let us make it much bigger. Okay. So we are done. Now we will select all the layers and align these layers. Go to align and align. Okay. So horizontal center line, vertical center line. Okay. Now let's play.